Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, The Brand Thinker. This is a day and finally I'm very excited, very happy you're here with me today in this journey. This channel has been almost forever to start, always an excuse, always because the lights, the gear, the camera, what kind of monitor. Let me tell you this, we're gonna learn together. Tutorials, lifestyle, technology, everything you need to know about marketing, the branding, identity. This is the time you need to challenge yourself. I'm challenging myself today, and I'm very happy, very excited. Let's go with the intro and wrap it up. I see you after this. So we are back. And like I said before, I'm very happy, very excited for this new channel, The Brand Thinker. Welcome again. We're gonna learn about a lot of things here, tutorials, Photoshop, graphic design, multimedia, photography, video, anything about marketing, anything about how to grow your channel or how to grow your business. This is the first day. I'm very overwhelming. It's something very important to me because I was, like I say, postponing for this, but I have a lot of friends telling me, hey, you need to start, you need to do this, you need to do that. Stop excuses, stop. And this is time to stop and rethink about it and refocus again and say, hey, listen, I need to start doing something. Even your business, your dreams, your goals, whatever you are trying to learn, this is the best time of pandemic season. You in quarantine, yeah, I'm talking with you. Now is this time to learn something new, to try to excel yourself and say, okay, this is the moment right now. So I want to know about your comments. I want to know, what do you need? What do you want to learn? What do you curious about it? You know, about graphic design, multimedia. Maybe you're going to the college. Maybe you're doing online classes. You want to learn something, but you're on the side. You don't know really what to learn, what not to go for. But now this is the moment. I think if we really get together and put your mind on focus and think about it, the technology right now is one of the best, one of the most right on the top to get and go for it. So this is the channel, The Brand Thinker. I have been practicing and setting up the whole YouTube, a little YouTube studio, but this is what it is. And I'm gonna be also going to all the process, what I did. And if you want to learn a little more, let me know in your comments and hit like to the button. And if you think it's great for you, if you think you're learning something in the channel, just subscribe to the channel. And if you think you're interested and you want to learn, do something new, improve more in your skills about multimedia photography, graphic design, any kind of stuff in the IT or the technology, let me know. Subscribe to the channel, hit like in the button, and I want to hear from you. I want to know about your comments, where you writing from, what country you are, what city you are. Let me know about you. Let me know what you're doing in this time of quarantine, in this crucial time. And everybody is, involved with all this together. So we have to beat this pandemic season and learn something and get the best thing from this bad season, bad whatever is happening, whatever is going on over there. Let me know right in the comment, and I will see you soon in the next episode.